I've got an idea!
Hello, Oxtime YouTube. Today I'm going to be playing the real Poppy Playtime. Now, I'm pretty sure the game was completely muted for some reason as soon as I started recording. Oh, a key. I assume that I can use the key for purposes. A passcode? Is that it? That's not it. Man, this game has graphics and Poppy. We're getting there. What was that? Dancing Dave. Huggy. Yes, Huggy Wiggle from Poppy's Playtime. Oh, there's a Half-Life 2. Man, this game has textures. Oh, what? Well, thanks for not giving me a puzzle to figure that out. So, I'm going to kill Carl. 8, 7, 9, 3. That works. Blue arm. Oh. 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 Oh yeah, that's... Oh. Uh-oh. When am I gonna meet Bobby's Playtime? There he is. There's Bobby Playtime. That's Ronson Playtime. That's Gilliard Playtime. Blue hand in pronouns. You have to pay for the flashlight. You know, this would be a lot easier if I could see. Oh, there's another Ronson Playtime. Man, this game is so fun. Top toys. Robert Playtime. Video game.